Jessica here from Abracadabra Refurbished. Today my husband George will be joining us. We will be adding IOD transfers to this piece to add more wow factor. This piece smells fabulous. I applied Wise Owl Lemon Verbena to the drawer rails to ensure easy gliding. To start out though, I will be adding some fresh drawer liners. Time to wax up the drawer rails to make sure that they glide nice and easy for a long time. It also made this dresser smell dreamy. I am going to brush on the Wise Owl Lemon Verbena with a JRV stencil brush. Here from Abracadabra Refurbished. We are going to attempt to show you how easy it is to use an IOD transfer. Here's the transfer right here. It's an Iron Orchid Design. It's called Wallflower. Okay. First, you're gonna cut them up to your liking, and then you're going to place them on your dresser or your. Sometimes you can put these on to make like pictures. You know what I mean? Then each one comes with this little plastic rubbing tool. And you just use that, and you start to rub it on. Glasses are fogging up. I've done these before, and I've set the dresser on its back, and that helps a lot. But in this situation, we're gonna try it upright, right, George? Mm-hmm.
See you later.
Oh, my phone's coming up on my face. Oh, thank you. Oh, I love your boots.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I got them $9 cheap.
They're beautiful. Oh, and then I don't know if you can see them back there, but you'll see the difference in the plastic on the top, and there is going on really nice. So you just keep rubbing it until you see it come up. You'll see the difference. Sometimes if you give it a little bit of resist, it helps it come up. And if you pull it up a little too far, you got the tape on, you can always just push it right back down and start over. See what I'm saying? If there's a piece that didn't go on, George, you just push it back down. See what I'm saying? They're forgiving. Now, if you are doing this on a dresser, you're going to want to have the customers are going to, so you're going to want to have your surface nice and clean. You're going to want to have a top coat, such as polyacrylic. I use Wise Owl products, 1 hour top coats. You're going to want to have a top coat on, or the transfer might not stick and adhere to the paint. This way it will. Oh yeah, these are coming out nice. I'm not even rubbing that, are you? Right there. Beautiful. I'll bring you guys closer up in a minute so I can show you it better. once you get it on there, you're gonna want to use you can use a t-shirt rag or any kind of rag if you want, or just use this. Very carefully varnish. See that I have a little piece of pink resin I missed. I might use a scrap, transfer scrap a little bit. Like I said, a little bit of imperfection makes it look even better, right? Make sure you burnish on there. Off camera, I burnished these transfers with a soft cloth. I do not recommend using the plastic IOD applicator tool as you see me doing here. I like the way it turned out. You can even sand over the top and distress them even more if you want. So it looks like it's purposely distressed. So you can give it the aged look. How do you like that on my side? Feeling good?
Concentrated. I can't see with my glasses because I got the glasses on.
It's just beautiful, you guys. I love it because it doesn't look like a sticker. There's no edge. And there's so much detail. The IOD everything. IOD stamps, the IOD molds. All of it is just beautiful detail. You can't find anything more beautiful. It looks like I hand painted it on here. It's just gorgeous. Let me stand up and look. Oh yes, definitely like that. And again, that's IOD wallflower. Right? Yeah, wallflower. Isn't that beautiful? And there's a whole bunch of sheets on there. You can pick, you can rearrange. On the bottom, it'll give you some examples. But like I said, you can do it any way you want. You can cut around each sheet however you want to put them on. You don't have to do it exactly the way. So you can cut that, like for example, you can take that big yellow flower and cut right around it and just use the yellow flower. It's all up to you. That's where you can get very creative with these. I just absolutely love these. And this is the new pad format. I think they still come in rolls, I'm not sure, but this one is the way to go. I love it. Want to come up, honey? Okay. While we're waiting on that, I can show you the Wander. This one's Iron Orchid Transfer. It's called Wander. The lights are kind of glaring. It's hard to see. See that? I've used the Wander Transfer. It is like my favorite. I wanted to use something today that I haven't used yet, which is Wallflower. So I think Wallflower is around my second favorite. Wander is my favorite. Looks good, honey. You still gotta put that little rose on. Here it is, you guys. The finished project. George and I made a couple little boo-boos, but I think it turned out beautiful. Normally we would have like over here on this side. Oh, you can't see my hand, can you? Oop. Over there. We would normally have that lined up to the corner, but I think it still looks pretty cool. I don't know. What do you guys all think? Let me know what you guys think in the comments, okay? I hope you all are having an Abracadabra Refurbished day. Ta-da! Magic.